In this video, let us continue to solve problems based on surface areas and volumes. So we've got a problem here which reads like this, and it is based on sphere. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeters. So say we've got a sphere like a ball, it's the diameter is 6 centimeters. It is melted and it is drawn into a wire having the diameter of the cross section as 0.2 centimeter. The most important thing to notice here is when they say it is melted and drawn into a wire, it's nothing but it's another way of saying it is melted and drawn into a cylinder, because a wire is obviously, however thin or however thick it's going to be, it is a cylinder, a thin cylinder or a thick cylinder, something like that, right? So this wire is going to be a cylinder basically, and it's going to have a diameter of the cross section as 0.2 centimeters. So see, I can help you understand this. Say for example, this is the wire, something, it's going to, of course, just go on. You never know how long it's going to be. So this is the cross section here. All right, so this diameter is going to be 0.2 centimeters. Now we need to find the length of the wire. We just have to find out how long is this wire. All right, so we've got the question. So now the diameter of the metallic sphere, the diameter of the sphere is given as 6 centimeters. So therefore the radius of the sphere is going to be half the diameter, right? So it's going to be 3 centimeters. So now we also have the diameter of the cross section of the cylindrical wire, that is nothing but 0.2 centimeter. So the radius of the cross section, CS is cross section of the wire, is going to be half of the diameter, right? If the diameter is 0.2, the radius is going to be 0.1 centimeter, right? So we need to find the length of the wire, right? So let the length of the wire be h centimeter. Now, since the metallic sphere is converted into a cylindrical shaped wire of length h centimeter, without wasting anything, the volume of the metal used in the sphere should be equal to the volume of the metal used to make this wire, right? So the volume of a sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the volume for a cylindrical or a cylinder rather is given by pi r square h. So let's equal that now, all right? So what I'm going to do is volume of metal in wire is going to be equal to volume of metal in sphere, right? So the volume of the wire or the cylinder is given by pi r square h, and the volume of a sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. So now we've got pi as 22 by 7, and then we've got the r, so the unknown is h. So by this we can find the value of the h, or the length of the wire. So that's all we have to do. So now let us solve that out. So we've got pi r square h. So let me write that here again. Pi r square h equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. So pi is given by 22 by 7, and r is given by 0.1, yeah, 0.1 square. And h is given, we have to find the h. So that equals to 4 by 3 times pi is 22 by 7 times r is 3 centimeters. So it's 3 cube. So now on solving this, 22 by 7 gets cancelled. So all you've got is this. So h equals 4 by 3 into 3 cube divided by 0.1 square. So 3 goes, there are 3 3's, so 1 3 gets cancelled. So solving this, you get h as 4 times 9, 3 square is 9, divided by 0.1 times 0.1. So you get 36 divided by 0.1 times 0.1, you get 3,600 centimeters, or h equals 36 meters, right? So therefore the length of the wire is found to be 36 meters. It is 36 meters in length. So that's the kind of, lengthy wire that you can make if you've got a metallic sphere of 6 centimeters. So that's all. This ends this video. So I hope you understood. So I'll just brief you up before I end this video. The question is that, we've got a metallic sphere. Then they're using the metal used in the metallic sphere to make it a wire. So they're going to melt it or whatever, then convert it into the wire. So they're giving you some data. For the metallic wire, they've given you the diameter by which you can, find out the radius. And as far as the wire that they've made, they tell the diameter of the cross section is 0.2 centimeter, again, from which you can find the radius. So once you find that, the volume is going to be the same because you're not adding or taking away any of the metal that is melted from the sphere, right? So you use all the metal to make the wire. So therefore, the volume should be equal. So equate the volume, use the formulae, equate the volume and find whatever is unknown. That's all you have to do here. And any kind of similar problems is the same thing. Let it be sphere and wire, or let it be a cube converted to a sphere, or whatever that is. All right, so this ends this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more problems based on surface areas and volumes.